What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today we're reviewing the Zulay Kitchen Coffee Grinder. It's an espresso grinder and it allows you to take your coffee beans and to make them into whatever form or fashion you would like for the ultimate coffee for you. But before we review this unit, I want to share with you the difference between whole coffee beans and ground coffee. Now, this is important because if you've been buying pre-ground coffee, you need to know that fresh coffee beans are 100% fresh, obviously, but ground coffee after 1 week is only 50 to 60% fresh. The flavor and aroma is 100% with whole beans, but after just 1 week of ground coffee, it's 40 to 50%. The antioxidant level is 100% with whole beans, and it's only 80 to 85% after 1 week with ground coffee. The shelf life is about a month with whole coffee beans, but it's only 1 to 2 weeks with ground coffee. And the convenience of grinding your own coffee is really not that inconvenient if you think about it. And I'm going to show you how here in a minute. So healthier coffee, better flavor, and it lasts longer. Let's review the unit. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the Zulay Kitchen Espresso Coffee Grinder, it's very simple. You put the beans on top here. There's a little lock in the back that pops it up and removes it. You simply place it in there, release that lock, and then it pops right in. Now, when that's popped in, you can literally pick up the entire unit, so that's how you know it's popped in. And then here you have the different types of grinding for the coffee bean that works for you. So this is super convenient. You have French press, pour over, filter, siphon, mocha, or espresso. Now, I'm gonna go with espresso, and basically what you do with that is you just select wherever you're at with that. And then right here, the time on the screen here, this is the time of grind. So 5-second grind is where it's at, and that's the lowest you can go. But you can go literally to the 10th of a second, all the way up to, I believe it's 10. Nope. Whoa, wow. That's apparently people have a caffeine addiction. This is ridiculous. I guess if you run a commercial kitchen, you should be, okay, I'm not even gonna do that. Anyways, 5 seconds is plenty for me. I don't know what type of caffeine addiction we're dealing with here, but basically all that you do is you set the time. So I'm just gonna set at 5 seconds. I thought it was 5 to 10, but it's clearly a lot more. So if you're making coffee for an entire family or village, you're good. You put your coffee unit in here, your little thing that you put in your espresso machine or your coffee machine, and you just hit start. It is literally that simple. It grinds for 5 seconds and that's it. It's done. You pull it out. There is your ground coffee. Now, here's the thing. Going back to the beginning of the video, if you don't have 5 seconds to quite literally take this out from your espresso machine, put it in here, and push a button, it doesn't make any sense. 5 seconds, you're gonna get fresher coffee, more antioxidants, better flavor, and your coffee will just last longer. So I love this unit. It's honestly the fastest and easiest way to get the very specific type of ground coffee that you desire for what you like to drink, how you like to consume coffee. Additionally, I will say that I highly recommend Purity Coffee. Purity Coffee is the cleanest and healthiest coffee that I have personally found. It's certified USDA organic, and not only that, it's actually biodynamically grown, which is better quality than organic. It is Smithsonian Bird Institute verified. They do testing both at the origin source, which I believe is from Ethiopia, and here in the US, so that if there's any tainting going on in the shipping process, they throw that batch out entirely, and they've done that multiple times. I've never seen a coffee company do that, so I have a lot of respect for them. They're the highest in antioxidants and the lowest in, they don't have any mold or heavy metals or anything like that. So it's the cleanest, highest standard of coffee you can possibly get. It's Purity Coffee. I'm gonna put a link in the description. You can get 30% off your first Purity Coffee order. I personally, my favorite one is, the best one is the Flow Blend. That's one of their best sellers. This is just their dark roast blend, but I highly recommend Purity Coffee. So check that out in the comments. And if you want to get more health and wellness reviews, subscribe to the channel here. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.